Hello friends, and thanks for stopping by to catch another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Stacy Dunn, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you my catch-all, my everyday planner, my planner that I am using for faith as well as family planning for quarter 3. So if you want to see what planner I'm using and how I have it set up, just keep watching. All right, you guys, so I am so excited for today's video. So we are just going to jump right in. So the cover I am using for my planner is the Notique Black Krakow planner here. And this planner is very compact. I can fit it inside of most purses and bags. And it even feels good if I'm just carrying it around. It's a great size when I'm holding it in my hand. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So inside, I do have a notepad from Notique, which I use just to jot down any quick notes or anything like that. Right behind that, I have some washi tape that I plan on using inside of the planner, as well as a journaling card freebie that you get when you place an order here in the shop. Now, the next little pocket here, I do have some paper with our family goals on it. I want to include it in the planner, but I wanted to film this video for you first. So after that, the back pocket here, I do have my prayer pocket. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen this and you're familiar with it. But the intended purpose of this is to write down more of those long-term prayers that you have. And there are a few different cards inside of here where you can write your prayer. And then on the back of it, you can reference it to a scripture that relates to the prayer. I also have a task card that I created years ago. I don't really use it anymore, but I thought it was cute and I did not want to get rid of it. Okay. Now flipping to the back of this planner in the back pocket, if you ordered the planner during pre-sale, you did receive this cute little envelope that included all of the sticker freebies that came with the planner. So I've added more stickers that I like to use here in my planner. So that way everything is housed within this cover. So when it's time to plan, this is the only thing I need to pick up, and everything I need is inside of here. Another item you'll see back here is our prayer request journaling cards, as well as an if found card and some CMP sticky notes. And you'll see inside of the planner how I choose to use those sticky notes. So let's go ahead and get this back into the pocket here. And then the very last thing that's in the back of this planner is my Villa Beautiful pen. Isn't she lovely? So I have that there, but to the main attraction, what everyone wants to see is the planner. So of course I am using the Promise Planner that launched in the shop a few months ago, and I am in love with this planner. I use it for, like I said, faith and family planning. If I can find a way to incorporate business planning into this and just use one planner, I would love it to just have one planner for everything. So the first thing you see here, I do have a pink ollie clip which holds together the glass cover as well as the quote vellum and the mood board cover that I created. And I believe I have a video in my playlist showing how I created this mood board on the cover. So if you want to see that, just be sure to check in the description below and I'll try to link it. Now, opening the planner up, on the back of the cover, I did kind of create an inbox. So that's what those CMP sticky notes are for. It's basically for me to jot down any future events until I'm able to add them into the planner. And as you can see, you guys, it is official. This is the planner that I am using. I've added my name to it and everything. So I don't know if you guys can tell by the sound in my voice, but I am excited to do yet another quarter inside of a Promise Planner. So when you first flip it open, It starts with our Bible tracker, which is our New and Old Testament. That way you can keep track of what studies you've done for each quarter. Now, a new addition to the planner, which was not in here when it first released, is this overview section. Now, after using the planner for a couple months, I noticed there were some events that I needed to jot down, but weren't necessarily in the quarter that this planner was set up for. So I decided to add this overview page. So let's go ahead and flip it over and I'll show you what I created. So you do have your yearly overview to keep track of like those birthdays and anniversaries and different things that are not within the quarter. But as well as I've added a quarterly overview. That way you can keep track and kind of have a bird's eye view of the most important, events that are going on this quarter. Now, one other thing I'm going to do on this page, once I add all the dates, I'm actually going to use this as a habit tracker to keep track of how consistent I was with my quiet time. So it's going to be a great view to see how consistent I was for the entire quarter. And then I just ended that area off with a notes page. So if you're familiar with the planner and you were able to check out the unboxing when they first came out, it is a quarterly planner. So there are 3 months within each month. There are 4 weeks within each week. There are 7 daily pages. So when you open up to the monthly, there are 5 weeks here. So you should have enough room to include all of the days without anything overlapping. Now it is a Sunday start. In the event you aren't a fan of a Sunday start, we do offer stickers here in the shop where you can cover this up and make it a Monday start. Or I'm sure if you're a planner girl, you may already have some date covers that you can add to this planner. And then it flips right into the week. So the way this planner is set up, all of your faith pages are going to be on the left and all of your planning pages are going to be on the right. So we have our weekly overview for our faith. So what's our focus? Which devotionals are we reading? Are there any books that we're reading? In the top 3 areas of prayer for that week. So once you get to the right page, you can do your weekly planning for your family, your business, whatever you want. But one really cool thing I've noticed since this planner is released is everyone is using it so differently. I've seen where some people are using this to write out the scripture of the day. Others are using it to keep track of meals. So it's really interesting to see how everyone is able to customize this planner and make it work for them. So if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to go follow me. I try to post in my stories anytime someone shares how they're using the planner. That way you guys can get a better idea of how you can customize it to work for you. Now, once you get into the daily section, you have your daily devotional on the left, and we are using the SOAP method. So it's scripture, observation, application, prayer, and then I've added gratitude because it's nothing like being grateful for every day. And then on the right, you do have your daily planner, which starts at 5 a.m., ending at 10 p.m. And then you have these 3 sections right here where you can either do priorities, task list. I mean, the options are endless. One way that I used it last quarter, and I'll continue to use it this quarter, is this top area here. I keep track of family. So if it's something for home, like meals, errands, different things like that, I'll put that in this very first spot so I can see it. And then I was actually using this section for work or the shop. So I'm able to daily plan for the shop in this planner. I just haven't found a way to weekly plan in here yet. So if it's content day or film day, I'll write out all the videos I need to film for that day. Or we're having a new release and I maybe need to update the website or add new listings or take listing photos. I'll include all of that here. And then in this bottom section, what I was doing was keeping track of habits. So drinking water, taking vitamins, spending quiet time, different things like that. And let me show you. I actually use the sticker sheet from the shop, which is called the Daily Header Sheet. And on here, you have different things like highlight of the day, today's blessing. Don't forget, Aaron's payday journal priorities, bill due, unplug, remember, day off, task, focus, appointments, hydrate, notes, important meeting, plan, self-care, work, today, girls' night, birthday, action plan, date night, meal plan, to do, lunch date, ongoing, workout, AM routine, habits, PM routine, me time, and today. That was a lot. But I use these to label these 3 sections. So I may change it up from day to day, but I always pull from this sticker sheet to decide how I'm going to label this section here. But again, you have freedom to do whatever you choose in that section. So you also have this today divider here, so you can quickly flip to your day. So other than that, you guys, the very last thing I wanted to share with you is this planner does include a pocket. And what I was noticing was, I like to keep like a master grocery list, a meal plan for the month, date night ideas, different things like that, that I didn't want to write that information every quarter. So what I decided to do is put this little notebook in the back, and I haven't filled it out just yet. And again, I am going to use those stickers from the daily header, which I just showed you. I just made it in a smaller size, where I am going to like put our meal plans in, our date night ideas, and different things inside of this little notebook. That way I'm not rewriting it every quarter, and it can go on with me from each planner that I'm using. So if you have those items that you write in every planner and you don't want to rewrite it every quarter, every year, and it's something that you're always referencing, I definitely suggest getting you a little notebook like this. That way you can write it once and you'll always have that information with you. So that is it, you guys. That is everything that is included inside of this planner. I hope you love this video and flip through. I am so excited that I finally got this video filmed. So if you made it this far, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe, because I plan to start doing monthly, weekly, and daily plan with me's inside of this planner, so you can see how I'm using it. So make sure your notifications are turned on so you won't miss the next video. And until next time, friends, keep focusing on the promises of God and have an amazing day. Bye.